Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Do you have a Toyota Key Fob with dead or low battery? No worries. I will show you how to enter and start your car with a dead key fob and how to replace the battery. You can see that this key fob is completely dead. The door is locked. At the bottom of the key fob, there is a hidden physical key. Use the physical key to unlock the door. The push start won't work since the key fob battery is dead. Place the key fob right over the push start button. Now you may start the car. Now let me show you how to replace the battery. Take the hidden physical key out. Gently open the covers. Remove the dead battery. Get a new button battery. Make sure it's a CR2032 style. Place the new battery. Put the cover back together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!